तारों के नीचे उन हरियाली टी प्लांटेशंस पे चलना, और जब बोर हो जाए तो कहना यारों कहीं और चलते हैं, बस कहीं और चलते हैं। दार्जिलिंग इज़ अ परफेक्ट प्लेस फॉर बैकपैकर्स where you can walk around anywhere. To all those who think India is not that beautiful should visit this place. This place is just a 10-15 minutes ride from a ropeway, and it's a very beautiful place. Not much to find here, but the view from the ropeway is itself breathtaking with the tea plantations all over. That is why Darjeeling is also known as Champagne of the East.
कान में डालेगा।
उनको भी ड्रेस अप होना है।
वो चली देखो प्यार की गली, उसे रोके ना कोई, वो चली।
This is so much fun. I'm plucking the leaves of the tea, and I'm wearing this dress. It's looking so nice. Beautiful girl has dressed me. She's very pretty. She's the one who has dressed me like this, and hopefully I'm looking good.
Yes. So will you recommend this to everyone?
Everyone, seriously. Two most important things that you require in Darjeeling is the umbrella and your shoes. You need to walk a lot in Darjeeling. और umbrella की तो आपको बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ेगी because it rains almost every day. We are at a crowded Chaurasta road in Darjeeling. And we have come here to Tiger Hill. There's a beautiful sunrise here, but we can't witness the Mount Kanchenjunga, which is visible most of the time. Not today. Going to Tiger Hill is very unpredictable. अगर आप जा रहे हो सुबह, so you should keep in mind that there might be views of Kanchenjunga, there might not be. So the best way to go to Tiger Hill is take a shared taxi, because otherwise you'd be spending a lot on the private vehicle that you take here. Now we are going to Tibetan Refugee Center. Let's see what's in hold there. People usually go to Tibetan Refugee Center and Gorkha Stadium by taking a car or a vehicle. But the best way is to go by this secret trek that we are on. It just goes from a side road from the Chaurasta and the police station. It's very scenic and very beautiful. I'm at the Tibetan Refugee Self-Help Center. Let's come and see what's inside. I came back from Tiger Hill, and in between we saw the Batascia Loop and the War Memorial. It was a little crowded. Then we came to this place known as Tibetan Refugee Center, where we found carpet weaving and woolen weaving and stuff like that, small scale based industries. And now we are at the beautiful tea garden, which is of the Darjeeling. So anyone who's coming to Darjeeling can actually visit the tea gardens, which are really beautiful. I'm at Peace Pagoda and the procession is going on.